Splitting on first occurrence. What would be the best way to split a string on the first occurrence of a delimiter? For example, splitting on the first mango to get
From the docs. str.splitsep, maxsplit return a list of the words in the string, using sep as the delimiter string. If maxsplit is given, at most maxsplit splits are done, thus, the list will have at most maxsplit plus 1 elements.
For me the better approach is that. Because if happens that occurrence is not in the string you'll get index error column list index out of range. Therefore -1 will not get any harm cause number of occurrences is already set to 1.
You can also use str.partition. The advantage of using str.partition is that it's always going to return a tuple in the form. So this makes unpacking the output really flexible as there's always going to be 3 elements in the resulting tuple.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.